Hi guys, this is IK from Bond Machines, and today I'll be showing you how to oil your sewing machines. Okay, they have three basic type of sewing machine. You have the one that the top is not removable. Okay, then you have the one that has a screw like this and this one here, and you can actually I've actually unscrewed it, and you can see that. Then you have the one that is quite openable, like you can just flip up the machine and you open it. Okay, why they all have different mechanism? They actually do the same thing, which is the stitching, the straight stitch, and the other stitches in case they have. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to oil the machine, and also make sure that you oil it effectively, not in excess, but the adequate amount of oil you use when you're oiling your machine. All right. Okay guys, this is the first example of the sewing machine that has the top is sealed. So I'm using the regular oil, this one is the regular one, and this is what I'll be using, my mini oil can. Now what you do first and foremost is you remember, if you have any of these machines, probably the Black Butterfly or any of these ones, you know that they have some holes, so you just drop oil. See, I'm dropping oil on all of them. Just drop oil on it, and you make sure you don't put excess, so it can move very freely. Now if you come to the feed dogs section, you make sure you put some oil also on the feed dogs part. All right, it makes the feed dogs to move freely on the plate of the machine. Then you just drop oil on the openings, any of the openings you see at the machine, you just drop oil on it. Okay, I think that's just about it, and that's it. So I'll flip over the machine so you can see how I oil the underneath of the machine. Okay, haven't flipped it over, so you just oil the moving parts. Okay, where you have the parts that are moving, you just drop oil on it. Then also in the shuttle bobbin part, you just drop oil on it. Basically, that's just about that, and make sure it's not too much, so you won't have to start staining your clothes. All right, so that's how you oil the basic machine, that the top is not removable. So when you're done with that, you just bring it down, and that's it. All right, so guys, like I said, all the machines I'll be reviewing, I'll be using, they're all available and more. In case you want to buy from me, just send me a message and I'll reply you. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, this is IK from Bond Machines once again, and today I'll be showing you how to oil the other type of sewing machine, which the top is flip open. Okay, it has a snap on top which you can just open up. All right, so yours might have different mechanism, but it's simply the same thing. So what you do is, when you move the machine, it has a moving parts. Once it snaps open like that, you just oil this top. See the way I'm putting oil, make sure you're dripping it in all the moving parts. Okay, so might come with some gear system, and also these the needle part that goes up and down, you just make sure you drop some oil on it. And also on the tension parts, it's very important, just drop some oil. And also on the feed dogs part, you just raise the feed dogs and drop oil there too. Then the hose, like I did on the previous video, you just drop oil, and I think there too, and that's about that. So I'll flip over the machine so you can see how to oil the underneath part. All right, haven't flipped it over, so you just, like I said, any of the moving parts on there, you just drop some oil on it, and pretty that's it. You also drop some oil on the feed dogs, and the shuttle and the bobbin part. Make sure it moves freely, and make sure you just apply it drop. Don't make it too much so it won't stain your fabric when you're sewing. And when you're done, I think your machine is good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Hi guys, IK from Bond Machines, and I'll be showing you how to oil the third category of sewing machine. Okay, this one is the type that you have a screw on the top. Okay, and I've already unscrewed that. You just flip that open, and once the machine is open, you see when you turn the wheel, this moving part, just especially this place here, then you come to this other section, just drop oil there, and also on the other moving parts. Then I think that should be it. Then you come there to the foot section, make sure you drop oil on the feed dogs. Okay, that makes it to move freely. Then you just drop on this tiny hose you have, especially on the machine, depending on how the mechanism of your machine is. Okay, so flip this machine over so you can see how I oil the underneath part. Okay, I already turned the machine over. So if you look closely, the moving parts of the machine, you see as I turn the wheel, you make sure you just oil there. When you turn the wheel, the moving parts, especially the type that has some screws on it, you just oil there. Then also on the shuttle part, you just put some drop of oil there, and the one that moves the feed dog underneath. Okay, I think that should be all. And when you're done, like I always say, make sure you drop oil on it. When you're done, you make sure that you clean some excess oil that drops out of your machine, and you're good to go. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and do sure to like my page, because I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot your machine when it comes to tension and other stitchings. Maybe you're sewing and it's not sewing properly well. I'll also review that and show you how to go about it. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.